Hey everybody, Aaron from Fleetistics. We are launching an industry-first pay-as-you-go fleet dash cam program. And what does that mean? That means stop paying $25, $30 a month for fleet dash cams when you're barely looking at the things. What we're saying is we'll charge a low monthly maintenance fee, and then you only pay for the data that you're actually using. So if you don't have an accident, if you don't have any customer complaints, if you don't have a reason to spot check on somebody, then all you're paying is the low monthly service fee. If you have an accident, then hey, spend an extra 20 bucks or 50 bucks or whatever it is to get the video just for the accident. This is going to save customers a huge amount of money, and it's going to change the entire fleet dash cam industry for commercial use. So pay attention, give us a call, learn the facts. If you anticipate that you don't need that much daily data, i.e. your insurance company is saying, hey, you've got to get a dash cam or we're going to cancel you, then this is the way to get a dash cam for the absolute lowest amount of money, right? And that's what it's about. Give us a call at 855-300-0527. I'll put that on the screen, 855-300-0527 or fleetistics.com. But before you go, if you call us today, we're going to provide a OBD GPS tracker that'll give you good track data. It'll give you exceptions and reports and maps and things like that to go along with our fleet dash cam, and we're providing it for 50% off the GPS device. So give us a call, check us out. Be sure that you ask about the pay-as-you-go fleet dash cam program.